In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset the wireless back to defaults for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer. Do a wireless reset when there's a change of router or when there's a change in the internet service provider or when moving the printer to a new location. Here's how to do the wireless reset. From the control panel, select Menu, scroll until you see Settings. Select that. Select Network. Scroll down and you will see there's a Restore Network Settings. Select Restore. At this prompt, make sure that you want to restore the original network settings. Select Yes. You can see that the wireless LED is now blinking and the network defaults have been restored. So this is how you do a restore network settings or restore the wireless back to defaults for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer.